And at some point, we just have to eventually just offer you guys a job, which I think would be a lot.
Hello. We were going to do a sunset video, but it's raining off in the distance, and it's not much of a sunset.
No,
Yeah. Today was day 10.
yes,
Is it really?
yeah. Tomorrow,
Tomorrow is actually midday. Tomorrow will be halfway done with the second cruise. So we had a sea day. We went to the top tier event. Had little clips of that. And no, the duck. I found a duck. A big
Major
duck.
duck.
A big duck. A really big duck. I forgot his name, but I saw him on Facebook. He dresses up like a duck and he hands out ducks. That was kind of neat.
that
to
was
see.
pretty
Yeah.
neat.
People were really happy to see him.
Here's an attention.
And so we're heading off to dinner. Talk to you later.
Later.
I guess that's rain out there. At least that's what Jim says.
That's rain over there. It goes all the way back and around. And it moves a lot. It has a lot of movement to it.
Really nice night though. It's really cool.
I think you changed course a little bit.
It's where the captain is.
But the rain's really cool. I like it. Wow, I mean, the view of the rain.
A teaser from our very talented cast of Oceanaria. Clap your hands if you got to see Oceanaria last night. Some of you did. If you haven't seen it yet, if you've never seen it. Introduce you to today deserves a thunderous round of applause, even a standing ovation, as ladies and gentlemen, we introduce the captain, the master of the vessel, from Tampa Bay in the USA. Give it up for Captain James!
Yes, he's a great ship, isn't he? You know, I run into a lot of people that's walking around that were on Liberty before. Anyone here was on Liberty? Yeah. You know, the last few years I've been sailing out of Galveston on Liberty and watching the terminal come to be. And, you know, and a while back they asked me if I'd like to stay in Texas, and I said, well, hell yeah.
Listen, Patty's back. Fernandez.
I think it's cool, the big screens.
Shows it and then steals it away. Can't have it back. Heritage.
I like it. It's really hot.
They're hot.
It's hot.
Mine isn't hot.
Like hot.
Spicy hot or hot?
Hot.
Mine wasn't. That's another free place to eat in the boardwalk. In the morning, they have coffee and donuts down here. And that'd be full of donuts, and there's coffee set up. And that's also included with the price.
If you want to see more, like and subscribe and hit the little notification bell.